Okay guys, that is the ATR 72 I guess, or 62, departing from the Banda Aceh International Airport to Penang. The island is the Malindo Air. Malindo Air is the part of the Lion Air groups based on Indonesia, but they also have the Malindo Air based in the Penang International Airport. Here you can see there the aircraft is the engine is fully work right now. Boots of engine is work. Hopefully I can't find a good video of it there. So we'll take a video from this point. I think this one is good. It's good view, you know. I forget it. Is that ATR 62 or I think that is ATR 62. Malindo Air. Sorry for the checking of the videos, or it's not really bad quality because I use the smartphones and the camera is not really good. So, but I'm happy to see the aircraft taxi and take off. So I will record that. I will record this one, this video to the end. See the Malindo Air. Okay, now I will go outside, but the sun is very, very hot. The Malindo Air will be take off from runway 35 Bahasa Inggris juga Airport in Banda Aceh, and we will be flying to Penang. From Banda Aceh to Penang with the ATR 72 will be take about 1.5 hours. Sorry, 1 hours half minute. 1 hours and 30 minutes. The aircraft right now taxi via taxiway parallel, west parallel taxiway Delta or Charlie if I'm not mistaken, and then will be lined up in the while. Sorry for my bad quality videos. I have no idea what I can do. I'm just recording with the smartphones. Actually, this is my new smartphone, so I would like to try how great the camera is for recording the videos. Okay guys, line up right now. The aircraft ATR on line up runway 35. I think the aircraft will contact the tower right now. Okay, Malindo, you are clear for departure runway 35. You see the engines, the props engines. They have the very good sound, you know. Sorry for the quality. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Leave off now. Okay guys, see you soon. The aircraft is airborne right now. See ya.